Hi all, today we are discussing a small program. So, what write a program to find biggest value in two numbers. So as we know, we had a two numbers and we are finding which one is the biggest. So how we can find out? First we need to assign the two values to a two variables. I am taking as a as one variable and b as another variable. If you take a as 100 and b as 20, we can, by seeing we can understand, but as a program we need to write in the sense we need to use one action. So that action is nothing but one logic. That logic is, if we need to find out which is the biggest value, by using, we can use the mathematical expression a is greater than b. If a is greater than b, we know that a is the biggest value than b. So if it is fail, obviously it will be the b is the biggest value. This is the logic. So we need to understand this logic. So now we are going to execute the code. So here I will explain you. Public static void main. Main method we are writing, and here initializing that a and b values. Integer we are using for a numbers. If we are giving any float or something, we can give the float, point or something. So if a is greater than b, in the sense if a value is greater than b, as I said, a is the biggest value, we know that, else b is the biggest one. The system.out.println, we all knows that it will give the print, it will come here and it will check the initialize values a and b, it had initialized, and then if it go to the logical part, if it will compare the things, a is a value and b value. If a is greater than b, this will be executed and this will be print. If else, if b is a greater than b value is a biggest one, it will execute this. So if we are giving 100 and 20, we all knows a is a biggest value. Okay, it had printed. So if we see, I had given a 200 here. Now we will check which value is the biggest one. B is a big one. So like that, this logic is this one, but inside the logic we had given a to execute some action. So if your a is greater than b, if you are okay, if you are executing, you are perfect, then you will execute this one. If you are not okay, if you are failed there, so come else part, next step, next plan b, it will go to the else part and it will execute this one. Hope you understand this program. Thank you. Please subscribe, like and share this video to your friends.